Exploring leadership, Hazrat Umar's era versus today's rulers in Pakistan, contrasting styles that shape societies. Hazrat Umar was celebrated for his justice, often walking among his people incognito to ensure fairness and equity for all. Accountability was paramount. Hazrat Umar himself was accessible, inviting public scrutiny over his decisions to foster transparency. Welfare policies under Hazrat Umar were revolutionary, focusing on public welfare and social security systems unheard of at the time. Today, Pakistani leaders face modern challenges, yet the essence of leadership, justice, accountability, welfare, remains a constant benchmark. The gap between past and present leadership illuminates the timeless value of principles like justice and accountability in governance. Embracing the legacy of Hazrat Umar's leadership could inspire today's rulers in Pakistan towards governance that prioritizes the people's welfare.